Good Wednesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and this is your outlook for April 8th, 2015. And the frontal boundary that moved through yesterday will now be southwest of the region today. We're going to be stuck in these showers here. Nothing too crazy. We're going to talk about on and off showers. It might be long breaks in between the showers. They're going to kind of come in waves here. Not really an all-out rain out here. But today the frontal boundary is going to be situated kind of an odd manner, sitting down here about like this. And so anything up on this side of this frontal boundary will be well below normal temperatures. We're talking about temperatures are going to be stuck in the 40s across much of the region here. You have to go back out just to the southwest of this boundary. This entire area here is very warm. We will not be in that very warm today. We're going to be actually today and tomorrow be in the very cold. Let's go through the radar here, starting off at 8 o'clock in the morning. You see these little scattered, these are widely scattered showers here. As you move through the day here, you're going to have these widely scattered showers, rain, drizzle, be cloudy with drizzle sometimes, just some very light stuff through the afternoon. Nothing very terribly heavy here. But you might have some increase in some precipitation as we head into the overnight hours, Wednesday night into Thursday. And that's shown here on the latest NAM here. So it looks like the heaviest period might be in the overnight period tonight, going into Thursday morning, and then we're back to spotty again. So right now it looks like just during the day, just this light spotty showers that are going to move through, and rain and drizzle, low clouds, some fog possible. That's really what we're dealing with. But the big story here is going to be the temperatures. Here are the expected high temperatures today, and you can see the entire coverage area here is in the 40s, so not really much difference whether you're in Scranton or all the way down here in Dover, Delaware. You're going to talk about 3 degrees difference between both locations, despite the distance in miles here, 42 versus 45. So not much of an increase in temperatures as you head south. This entire area, of course, this is a zoom in of what I just showed you on the larger map here, but the front is situated down here, southwest of DC even. So anywhere up here is going to be in the cold, and you get on the other side of the front, you get down here into southwestern PA, you're in the 70s. Across West Virginia, you're in the 70s. Here we're stuck in the cold with a backdoor cold front that moved through yesterday. And still really no improvement here on Thursday. Here's what you're looking at Thursday. Pretty much the same thing. This front is going to start making its way back to the northeast as a warm front. This is the same front that moved through here yesterday. All right, it's going to begin on Thursday to advance in this direction, and I expect that to be through the area sometime probably either late Thursday night or Friday morning. And then we're going to be right back in the 60s and near 70, even if the sun doesn't come out. I mean, we're going to have the warm surge of air. All of this that's back here behind this boundary is going to surge north with it. So kind of goofy here with these backdoor fronts. You get this every once in a while, but that's what we're dealing with right now. It just looks like 2 days of very cold. We're right back into sustained spring temperatures, and I mean sustained for as far as I can see, at least in the next 10 days that follow there. So keep your fingers crossed. If you like the warmer weather, it's coming. And I think it's going to come to stay. Here again, here's a look at the broad view of our outside the coverage area here for the whole northeast United States and Ohio Valley. Here you can see the showers moving through here. Now Friday's going to be kind of interesting because you're going to have you might have a little bit of breaks. Might have call it mostly cloudy on Friday. Might have a few breaks of sun pop out possibly. Then you're going to have this cold front that's going to move through here, attached to the area low pressure that's moving up through the Great Lakes. Now there may be some thunderstorms along this line here. We'll have to watch that. Right now, the latest runs are not as impressive with these thunderstorms here moving here later Friday, kind of falling apart here on the GFS. But we'll keep an eye on it just in case. The NAM wasn't really that impressed either. But just looks like some thunderstorms can make their way in through this area on Friday evening. And behind that front, we clear out. Looks like Saturday, you're going to have, despite northwesterly winds, you're going to have some breezy northwesterly winds here on Saturday. But it's still going to be temperatures are going to be at least at normal for this time of year, which is right around 60 degrees, give or take, a little less up further north. And a little higher than that farther south, but around 60 degrees is the general rule. That's what we're looking at for Saturday. And then this high pressure that's sitting over the Ohio Valley will move in right on its heels. It'll be in control of our weather here on Sunday. Actually going to set up just southeast of the area, which will allow temperatures to increase by a few degrees. And the same thing will hold true on Monday with that sinking off the eastern seaboard here. Return flow will keep it warm here on Monday as well. maybe getting some showers and as we get into Monday night, Tuesday, we'll cross that bridge when it gets here. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchurch, and that is your outlook for April 8th, 2015. Have a great Wednesday.